The tail lamp is key to a safe ride, whether on the city streets or beyond. Inspect and replace in a few simple steps. Here is how you can do it. The only tool you will require for this is a 10 mm open-end spanner. It is available in your motorcycle kit. Along with that, you will also need a genuine Royal Enfield tail lamp bulb. It is available at any Royal Enfield authorized service center near you. First, remove 3 nuts under the mudguard with a 10 mm open-end spanner. Remove the 3 nuts and the washer, followed by the number plate holder. Now it's time to remove the tail lamp assembly from its position. Rotate the bulb assembly in anti-clockwise direction and take it out of the tail lamp assembly. Rotate the bulb in anti-clockwise direction and take it out of the bulb assembly. To fit the new bulb, insert it in the bulb assembly by rotating in clockwise direction. Then fix the bulb assembly on the tail lamp assembly by rotating it in an clockwise direction. Check the coupler connection intactness. Now gently take the tail lamp assembly and position it on the mudguard. Fix the nameplate holder on the mudguard. Put the washer in its place. With the 10 mm open-end spanner, tighten the 3 nuts. Ensure the availability of rubber bush while tightening the nuts. Always remember to connect the electrical couplers by matching the colors. Ensure that the rubber bush washers are placed along with the bolts. Before removing the tail lamp assembly, put a dry cloth on the silencer to prevent an accidental burn. Your motorcycle is ready for the roads. Keep riding.